IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Are you often in a hurry? Why? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I am often in a hurry because I have many things to do every day. Sometimes I wake up late, and then I feel stressed, so I rush to finish my work.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, some repetition. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, some awkward phrasing. Pronunciation, understandable but flat. Typical of a Band 5, short, general answers with little detail. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, quite often, mainly because my schedule is usually quite tight. Between work and personal responsibilities, I sometimes underestimate how long tasks will take, which puts me under time pressure.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, clear, logically developed answer. Lexical resource, good range, time pressure, underestimate. Grammar, mostly error-free complex sentences. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5, well-developed ideas with effective vocabulary. Band 9 answer.
Not constantly, but I do find myself rushing when my day is poorly planned. When I overcommit or misjudge priorities, everything suddenly feels urgent, which is usually more my fault than the clock's.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, reflective, well-structured. Lexical resource, precise and nuanced language. Grammar, fully controlled and varied. Pronunciation, natural, confident, flexible. Typical of a Band 9, insightful responses with excellent control. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.